fan?
Oh yeah.
It's a 6-blade, dude.
We're tightening it. We gotta loosen it.
Yeah, we gotta loosen it.
We gotta go the other way.
Yeah. Isn't that the way we're going?
No.
Oh. Isn't that the way you were going?
No.
Oh shit.
I was tightening it. We gotta go this way.
Maybe I was loosening it, and then you made it the right? I don't know. It's okay. Or just blame me. Everybody does that. You know, if I go to work day and something goes wrong, everybody just blames me all the time. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make a sawzall cut.
You see how the hose, the tranny cooler line, goes into a hose? Really? Yeah. Did you notice that, Josh? What? There's 2 tranny cooler lines. The second one goes to the radiator, but it connects to a hose.
Oh, fuck.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
You want some gas inside here?
Oh,
You okay
that's
there?
the top of it.
Yeah. Huh?
Did you get it, Daniel?
I think so.
Fuck.
Almost.
Yeah, then show my Heineken.
Oh, you have it in the same spot.
Yeah.
Oh, so you just turn on the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, very slow. Caught on the beer. Piss everywhere.
Nice.
Perfect.
Is the film on?
Yeah.
Alright, show my beer can.
Yeah.
Where do I put it?
Anyway.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna throw it outside.
Over there.
Oh, let me see a downshift.
I'm gonna downshift right now. Look at my sunroof.
How come your sunroof is on the floor?
Because it's an option Ford made in 1967.
Oh, I like
$45 option.
Is it neutral?
It's always a neutral. That's not a question you should ask, Daniel.
I mean,
Wait. What'd you do?
Let me steer. Come on, straight.
Oh shit!
Oh, the beer.
Oh shit! Shit!
Oops. I'm sorry, Steve. It's okay, we're on the curb.
Yeah?
Is that side gonna nick anything?
No. Okay. Alright.
That's it.
Let's try that.
Steve, come and push a little bit.
I was admiring the car. I was admiring the car, I'm sorry. That's okay. That's perfect. Not too big.
Oh, we gotta try to stick to the middle.
Oh, you want to get in the middle?
Yeah, because I can't work on the other side. I gotta steer.
Yep. Okay. Let me get it.
Okay, now we turn it into the inside. And then go that way.
Trucks?
Yep.
What the fuck is this?
Beers over here.
So my mom doesn't
What'd you do?
coolant is all on the grill.
No. How'd it get there?
My mom's gonna be mad again.
Oh, so it's leaking from that old thing.
Fuck me.
That's a lot.
That's enough. It's enough for my mom to be like, what the fuck are you doing? You know, like, I'm just fixing my car.
Oh, we should watch out for this.
Yeah, right?
Alright.
Break the car breaks. Fuck it.
Can you let me touch, sir?
Can I put the shocks on the wheels first?
Yeah.
Probably get the steering wheel.
And then we can look at like where it can bolt onto.
Is that the screwdriver?
Hey.
Yeah.
Delish.
Okay. I brought it from that side. Yeah. Over here, so we can put the jack here, so then here.
Does this still smell like old man's nutsack in here?
Of course it is. It's forever smelling like that, Mike.
No, it's, you know what I think it is? It's the leather on the steering wheel.
I think it's just the ass that's been sitting in it.
No, oh god.
I'll show you. On the other side, it went right here. You like my
Make sure you get my good.
Wait, is there a voiceover like?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you say anything stupid, I'm just gonna cut it out.
Okay, Daniel.
Make sure you get my good side.
Oh yes.
That's not my good side.
Higher than this?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, what was that? Okay, go ahead. Oh. Oh, it looks delicious.
Okay.
Wait, how's
Let's
the
put it-
pinch wheel on this side
Put it-
compared to the other side?
Over here.
I think it's
Over here.
worse.
Over here.
Really?
Why?
No, the other side was worse.
No, we put it on this side. Fuck you.
Oh, you having fun there, Steve?
Yeah. Very hard worker.
It's like Daniel's the father filming the kids for the first time. You having fun there, son, working on your motor.
Is that for the bell housing or something?
Yeah, right. Can you reach it and
Pull it forward?
yeah, loosen it more. As much as you can.
It doesn't move now.
Okay?
Yeah. Now you take it off and start again, right?
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of you, Daniel, on this?
Oh, yes.
We need a ratchet, damn it.
We don't use ratchets.
It honestly, it doesn't move really that much when I do it.
How long did it take for you?
A long time. I did a little bit and then the rest by hand. Oh, I bolted the wrong one into here.
Do these move if you touch them?
Nope.
No, with a lot of force.
I think they're just like they just bounce around on the motors on.
Yeah,
That's about it.
that's what opens up your valves.
I saw the movement when I was turning the thing.
Oh yeah? Well, when you were turning the crank, yeah? I remember, dude, I started talking to Nick. Nick was the first one when,
You might.
what?
Be able to.
Yeah.
Even Daniel and Nick were the first.
You DM'd me like way before we met though. Like
Really?
we talked for a little bit. Like maybe like you had me as a friend on Facebook for like a month or two.
Yeah.
And then you started talking to me after a while, and then like a month before we met, that's when we were like actually talking
Yeah.
about it
This
first.
boat is some bullshit.
I was part of it messaging Nick too and telling him like weird jokes and things.
What's the matter?
What is
And
this?
Steve, use the other end.
Huh?
Steve,
Yeah.
you have a pile of tires right there.
What?
What? Where?
Straight ahead.
Oh man, that's mint.
What?
There you go.
Oh fuck.
That's what we're gonna use.
I'm gonna take some after.
Where?
There's a pile of tires right there.
Oh,
Are they
take
good
a
though?
BMW, but you can take it. We're not using them, Mike. We're just gonna put the motor on it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. That is right.
Why do those belong to the person in that parking spot?
I mean, shit, they belong to. That's supposed to be
Yeah,
there.
that's litter. You're just cleaning the environment.
Yeah. How are we gonna get the
There's nothing, yeah.
Yeah, you've got shit.
There's not really much holding the transmission to the motor besides this bolt, so all the pressure's on it.
Oh, the pressure.
So when you
eh?
let go of that, it's probably gonna go.
Oh, you got
Oh,
that one
yes.
good, eh?
No, I'll change it for you.
What is that?
Oh shit! Hello, sir.
I'll be back.
Ah!
Oh,
Shit!
Whose
It's
phone is
already
that?
cracked. Don't worry. It's already cracked.
oh shit.
Did you get that side out then?
Oh, it's still the same.
It's
It's not off the fucking transmission.
What?
Really? Bro, why is it still on the transmission?
Oh, guys.
Oh shit.
Mike, you
What?
fucker.
Is it really?
Yeah, bro.
Oh wait, I can see.
What is it? I can't see anything, bro. There's no light.
It's a gap. I can see a gap in between the transmission and the thing.
Okay, show me the light. It might be something simple.
No, turning on for a second.
We don't have a flashlight?
There's a flashlight in your office, Steve.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go.
Mike has a flashlight too.
I don't have one.
I
This
think
little
it's just
guy.
a pin.
I think it might be that one fucking bolt. Remember that bolt? That one that we couldn't grab because we couldn't get a socket on it?
It's moving everything
Oh,
now.
yeah, Daniel. Oh yeah, Daniel.
Oh,
it's off.
shit! Transmission came
It's
off.
off.
Yeah,
Oh shit!
I think it's off.
Oh shit!
It's off. Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah.
302 guys.
Well, we need the tire too. There's off this motor.
Yeah, no,
on.
it's okay. That's the easiest part, Mike.
Yeah, you might as well go grab them now. This way we can get one right
Okay,
there.
I'll grab him.
I'm gonna come with Mike.
What's
Okay,
touching?
Watch there.
Nothing.
Yeah, the exhaust and that piece right there.
I'm so nervous.
Really? Yeah, it's not your car, right?
Yeah. We're not gonna make it. Look. You got a tape
Oh
measure?
wait, the car's still on jack stands.
We're supposed to lower it.
We can lower it now.
Side by side? Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to lower it.
Okay,
You
no,
got
I'm
so
gonna,
excited.
I'm gonna lower the transmission on this side.
Okay.
Where's the screwdriver? Oh, you got it here.
Oh,
Oh, is that the fart?
there's ducts in here.
Tell me what the transmission does. You see it?
Car looks like a gasser.
It looks
It's
exactly
good.
the way it was.
Holy shit! It looks exact same.
That's a gasser. What the fuck is a gasser?
It's one of those cool Chevys that were like lifted in the front for drivers.
Oh yeah, like those 1955 Chevy, they're like Bel Airs, right? Almost.
Exactly.
What's touching in the back?
Let's see.
Should we get the tire ready now?
Okay, it's okay, Daniel, but I just the garage door. I don't know what the fuck.
I think we're gonna make it out. Like,
Should we push the
Oh,
car?
we're touching the front.
Ah, fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Other.
wow, it looks almost like Daniel's car now. This is
Oh
not
yeah.
boring.
Yeah. The other way, Daniel.
Let's move it a little bit.
To the front, right?
Yeah. And then we'll angle it up over.
Don't worry about this. Just so I can get a new doorstep fixed to you.
Okay. You guys ready to go? Pushing it?
Yeah. We're almost there.
Okay, learn the more.
Mike, come to the front. Come to the front.
Push it.
Come to the front, Mike.
Mike, did you take out the stop?
The what?
Under the wheel.
Chalk, the chalk.
I took it out. I took it out.
Oh,
Both sides?
Yeah. Ah, shit. Let's scrape it.
Transmission things and exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
It's,
You got this.
It's pretty much like
Hey,
out.
Daniel, level it up. Level it up.
it's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, Daniel.
Wow, gang.
It's about as far as I'm gonna be able to go with that.
Literally just have to pull a fucking car out.
Okay, Daniel.
You got push.
Mike, push. Slow. Not so fast. It's not going 100 kilometers yet. Look at this.
Okay, fuck, that's it. Don't go any further.
Okay.
Anything clear.
Okay, watch out, guys. Slowly gonna bring it down.
Put the tire, just in case.
No. We're just gonna go slow. Just so we can
Wait,
move
the
it.
camera!
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, it's on? Okay.
Oh, you're probably in the way the whole time.
Fuck, I
It's
know.
okay. I filmed it. Oh, that's way
Should
too
we
fast.
get the tire or no?
Am I
No,
touching
we-
the car? Or
No,
the exhaust?
you're okay, Daniel. I would have told you.
Cold.
I'm pretty hot, actually.
Yeah?
I'm pretty hot.
Okay, for now that's good.
Yeah.
Now let's figure out where this is gonna go. And then cut this.